Imagine waking up one day knowing you never have to work again. Not because you won the lottery or inherited millions, but because your investments are working for you. Sounds amazing, right? But here's the reality. Most people spend their lives chasing money, not knowing how to make money work for them. If you're tired of being stuck in the same cycle, this video is your escape route. Stick with me, because what you'll learn in the next 8 minutes could change your financial future forever. And no, you don't need a PhD in economics to start. Point 1. Why investing is. Here's a scary truth. If you're not investing, you're actually losing money. Inflation is silently eating away at the cash in your savings account, kind of like termites in your dream home. You might think, I'll start investing when I make more money, but that's like saying you'll start running after the race has started. Quick question. Do you want to retire someday or live with your parents forever? No judgment, just think about it. The good news is, you don't need to start big. You just need to start, and I'll show you how. Point 2. Understand your option. Now that you know why investing is non-negotiable, let's talk about your option. This is where it gets exciting, because you're about to discover how to own a piece of the world's biggest companies. Yes, even as a beginner. First up, stocks. Think of stocks as slices of a company's pie. Buy shares, and you own part of the company. Then there are ETFs, or exchange-traded funds. These are like a sampler platter of stocks. Perfect if you don't want to bet everything on one company. Lastly, index funds. They're the set it and forget it heroes of investing. They track the market and grow steadily over time. Point 3. Start small and automate your investment. Let me guess, you're wondering, how much money do I even need to start? Here's the truth. You don't need thousands of dollars. With apps like Robinhood, Fidelity, or Vanguard, you can start with as little as $5. The secret is consistency, not size. Think of it this way. If you can spend $5 on coffee, you can invest $5 in your future. And guess what? The coffee won't grow into a tree, but your investments might. Automation is your best friend here. Set up automatic transfers to your investment account every month. It's like putting your money on autopilot to success. And once you automate, you'll be shocked at how quickly your portfolio grows. Point 4. Diversification and the power of patience. Now that you're investing consistently, there's one golden rule you need to follow. Diversification. This simply means don't put all your eggs in one basket. Spread your investments across different sectors, and you'll reduce your risk. The second key is patience. Investing isn't a sprint, it's a marathon. Remember, the stock market rewards those who wait. Even Warren Buffett said, the stock market is a device for transferring money from the impatient to the patient. So stay the course. Congratulations, you've just taken your first step toward financial freedom. You now know why investing is essential, how to start small, and the importance of diversification and patience. But here's the secret sauce: compounding. This is the force that turns ordinary investments into extraordinary wealth. If you want to understand how compounding works and why it's the ultimate wealth-building hack, click on this video, point to the end screen. It breaks down the power of compounding in a way you've never seen before. Don't miss it. It's the next step in your journey to financial independence.